Caesar was an adult cat, found in a dire state, curled up on the side of the road with dirty fur and critical health issues. The poor cat struggled to breathe, gasping with its mouth open and tongue out, its eyes full of anxiety as if pleading for help.
Let's go home.
What could have happened to Caesar before being discovered in such a severe condition? Determined not to let Caesar suffer another moment, passersby immediately contacted a rescue team and brought the cat to safety.
Possible mouth cancer. Possible stomatitis. I'm not seeing any ulcerations.
They petted him with loving attention and provided medication, food, and a new spacious enclosure with ample food and water. For the first time in a long while, Caesar had the chance to experience safety and affection. He ate quickly, as if not wanting to miss this precious opportunity.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Hi. I think you look better already. Let's get you into a crate, okay? Are we awake now? Hi.
But Caesar's journey wasn't over yet.
Staring at me. It's like the cutest.
The next day, Caesar was taken to the vet for a health checkup. The diagnosis was alarming. Caesar's jaw was fractured in the front, with the left incisor separated from the right incisor.
His jaw is split in half.
To assess the severity, the vet decided to perform anesthesia and x-rays. If the fracture was confined to the front, surgery could be done that day. However, if the fracture extended further back, Caesar would need surgery from a specialist. Would Caesar overcome this challenge? Could this brave cat recover and live a happy life? The story reaches its most crucial stage, and be sure to keep watching. When the X-ray results were announced, joy erupted. Caesar could undergo surgery safely. An operation was scheduled immediately. Unfortunately, the poor cat received careful attention. To ensure the wound was not affected, Caesar was fitted with a cone collar.
Hey. Hey, good boy.
The rescuers not only focused on feeding and medication, but also spent time playing with and petting Caesar. This care made Caesar feel loved and gradually more affectionate, enjoying sitting on the lap of his rescuer. The stitches on Caesar's jaw began to heal, and it was hoped that the cat would soon be as healthy as any other cat.
Scratching? I hate this rug anyway. Go for it. Let's do some more. Let's do some more. Let's tear it up.
To make the recovery process more comfortable, the rescuer purchased a new mattress for Caesar.
Here. What about this?
Surely the cat would love this mattress, which provided warmth and comfort. However, not everything went smoothly.
Probably a better way to do that.
Caesar still needed medication and occasionally felt tired. But with ongoing positive care and unwavering love, Caesar gradually recovered and became healthier.
Are you getting your stitches out tomorrow? Where are you going?
Each mealtime, Caesar joyfully followed the rescuer,
Are you getting your stitches out tomorrow?
and subsequent checkups showed that Caesar's health had fully recovered.
We took a break from walking to get some bellies.
From a weak emergency rescue cat, Caesar transformed into a sleek, plump, and adorable feline.
Baby, hi. Oh, he's closing his mouth. He closed his mouth. He's gonna have his cone on for the next 10 to 14 days, right, baby boy? I know. He's still waking up a little bit, so we're a little bit nervous right now.
Caesar's recovery journey was not just a story of rescue,
Back in 2 weeks.
but also a testament to the power of love and dedicated care.
And he's gonna eat baby food and mashed up pate with water for the rest
Now,
of his life. No more
Caesar could proudly live a new, happy life filled with love and comfort.
This cone is.
The story of Caesar concluded,
Today it's inclement weather. I got an
but the
email
warmth
from
and affection he
They're
received would
canceling
always
all
be a
the
cherished
rides
part of
and
everyone's
closing the
hearts.
park. And guess who's not outside? You. Do we like that? He was just absolutely dying to leave his crate, so we're not eating dry food. No, I'm sorry. We can do other things. What would we like to do? Want to take a walk? Oh, okay, that's wet food. You can have that. No, no. Oh, poor thing just wants to dry food. Nothing's over there. Yeah, let's go. That's Brooklyn. You want some more baby food? Huh? Okay.
We hope you enjoyed Caesar's heartwarming journey today. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more touching stories and updates.
He's just curled up on his heating pad.
Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more stories of hope and recovery.
Caesar, today it's inclement weather. I got an email from Knott's Berry Farm. They're canceling all the rides and closing the park. And guess who's not outside? You. Do we like that?
And he's 10 pounds even. Okay.
Hey, Caesar. What are you doing? I heard some rustling in the kitchen, so I came to check it out. What are you doing? There's just papers there. You're so silly. Caesar. Look at that chin. Hey, she did chins. He's like, no.